Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how can we sign up our Stripe account. Let's get started. Firstly, you should find this site stripe.com and you could just click get started. Here is some information. You should add your email address, full name. It is not important you have a business account or not. You can also add your personal account or maybe a business account. We just add our personal account and click here, and our full name, it is just fake, and password, just click use strong password. Also you can add your country, just click here and find your country where you live and you add your country. However, some country doesn't support by Stripe. You can't find your country, you should register it your business in the United States or this country. And just click create account. You don't need to click because this is just update industry news and so on. Just click create account. You should add your business name. Just add our business name, cash flow, guides, and our business location United States. Just click continued. And if you have a website, just add your website. If you don't have website, just click escape. Also, you should add your business, what do you do and what do you sell. Just click escape if you don't have any information here. Also, you can see here how do you want to get started, and you want to accept payments or build a platforms or marketplace. And that's meaning is maybe you are a freelancer and you just use a Stripe or payment links. Just click accept payment because you don't have any platforms or marketplace. Also you have business on the maybe e-commerce platform, just click here. If you don't have any now about yourself, just click skip because it is not necessary. Also, this is about our dashboards view, and you can choose this, explore your account. Also, you can choose your EIL too. You don't need in this, just we want to use it, just click continue. Here is some information about your sandbox, and that's meaning dashboard. And you can add it your live account. I will talk about. You just click go to sandbox. Sandbox is our dashboards. Okay, you can see here our dashboards today and gross volume, yesterday, USD balance, payouts, and your overview, payments, gross value, net volume, and new customers, top customers, failed payments, and so on. Balances. When we click balances, you can see here your balance. Our balance is 0 because we create new, and you can add funds, manage your payouts. Also you can settlement currency. Also you can see your incoming, available, payouts, top-ups, all activity. Also you can see your transactions. When we click transactions, you can see here your transactions. Just click get started. If you will click get started, how do you want to start collection payment, shareable payment links, maybe manual charge a customer, or maybe you want to send invoices online. Just choose this and click continue. Also you can see customers. If you will click customer site, click here, and also you can add customers. Just click add customers, and you can add customer name Ali and email address, and just follow it, and the language, billing information, and maybe tax information you can add here, shipping information, invoices, and so on. Just click add customer. You can see already we have new customers. Okay, also you can see your product catalog. Also you can add your products. If you click add products, you can add maybe you sell book, and you can add your description, maybe live book, and also you can add image, pricing, maybe you sell $1,000, and we add also click add products. Here is your products list. Also you can add payments. When we click analytic our payments, you can see payments analysis. Here's key metrics, payments breakdown, fail payment, and so blocked payments, and so. Also you can create payment links. It is so important. Just click create test payment link. And also you can add products, like maybe I want to sell book, click book. And also you can see there's some information, collection customers name, maybe collection business names, and so. And also you can see here some options and add custom fields and so on, and create a link. Now I can't create a payment link because my account isn't a live account. Now you can see here is testing. Okay, continued. And also you can use payments we talked about. Also you can see a billing account. This is about our billing overview, subscriptions, invoices. You can use also invoices and payments link. All time you can use it, and just click get started. And there is some information. How do you want to bill your customers? Flat rate, seat base. Also you can use invoices. It is so important. Just click create invoices. You can hear your customer name. If you don't have customer, just click new customers and add new customer information. Just click here if you have. Also you can choose a currency. Maybe your currency is dollars or maybe another. You can choose it. Also you can add items. Maybe you sell books, and also maybe you want to add some information here, or maybe you sell the 2 per units, and so maybe you use coupon and you can add new coupon. And also request payment, you can choose today, tomorrow, 7 days, 40 days, and so. And also you can add temples and create new temples, and memo, folder, text ID, and a PDF, or maybe A4 later, and so. And just click here review invoices. You can see your invoices here. So when you click finalize, your invoice sent by Stripe to your customers. Also you can add your apps. When click apps, you can explore app market. When click app marketplace, maybe you use a Shopify, revenue, and so on. You can see there's many apps. Maybe it's this Shopify, click Shopify, or maybe Amazon. It is not for, just click insert from partner. Also click insert. You can see if you have Shopify App Store, you can insert and use create a Shopify account, log into exciting account. If you have, just click here and add your Stripe account, and connect your Stripe account to Shopify account. This is about our overview, all sites and product shortcut and so. However, I want to talk about also this site and top up. When we click setting here, and you can see overview here, personal details, business, Stripe profile, and team and security, communication preference, and developers, plans and fees, and so. Here's some billings, payments, and manage payments and so on. Also, I want to talk about how can we change our test account to live account. Just click switch to live account. Here are some steps: verify your business account, business type, personal details, business details, and so on. First is business type. You should choose your business location, and you can also add your business type. Maybe is unregistered business or maybe a registered business. If you click unregistered, maybe you or use your account home address. You don't need to choose registered or non-profit. Just click unregistered. However, also you should add, if you don't have any employer identification number, just click no. If you have, just click yes. You should add your employer identification number next time. If your business is registered, just click here, and you should choose your business structure. Just click single member, multi or partnership or private corporation. Maybe it's a single membership, you can add here. We just click unregistered because we don't want to add more information, and just click continue. You should add your legal name, email address, date of birth, home address, and phone number, and you should add a social security number. However, if you don't have any social security number or ITIN, you can continue. Why? Because here by Stripe. So you should add your name, full name, a legal name. However, you can't add your some fake name or maybe mid name. You should add your legal name. This is about personal details. Also, you can add some number. Also, you can add some social security number. Also, street, home address maybe. Also, you can choose your state. Also, add our. Okay, continue. Click continue. Business name, maybe just add cash flow, guides, and website is maybe can add your business website. If you don't have business website, don't be stressed. You can add your business Instagram account or Facebook account or maybe TikTok account, or in short a social media profile. You can add your social media profile here, and we just click some fake account. Just click continue. Next step is products or service, and this is about your what do you sell, and maybe your business is software, click software. Maybe is digital products, just click digital products, and you should add description and click continue. And next is public details. Public details about your business name and customer support phone number and customer support address. This information will appear on your invoices or your site and payment links. And because this is customer support details, and you can add your legal business address, or maybe you don't want to your add some another account. Also statement descriptor, this is about your also invoices or online payment links. You can see here some information you can add here. Maybe some information maybe is a store at Nuri Bridal store. Also you can add custom descriptions. Maybe you want to add cash flow, just click cash flow and just click continue. The next step is add your bank account. You can add your bank account here if you have Bank of America, US Bank, and so on. If you have this bank account, just click Bank of America, and you should add your bank account. Log into bank account, just click continue, and you should add your information here and your US ID and password, and click login and connect it. However, maybe you don't have Bank of America or this bank, don't be straight. You can find your bank here. Also, you can add manually your bank details, and you can add your routine numbers, account number, also confirm account number. Someone asked me, can I add my Pioneer account? Maybe you don't have any international or American bank account. You also can add your Pioneer account here. Also, you can add your Pioneer account routine number, account number, and again, you should add your account number again. Okay, continued. When you add your account, just click continue. Also, there's a security your account. This is save your account, and Stripe wants to save your account, so you can add your passkey or security key and add another. Also, you can add extras, and this is about optionals. You can add your tax calculations or claim contributions. You can choose it, and also you can add here. If you don't want to add, maybe here, just click no thanks and continue. So you can see review and submit your information, your product or service, and public details, statement describe, management ownership, and payout details, account security, and optional payment features. And everything is okay. You can add agree and submit. When I will approve your account by Stripe, you can choose your switch live account, and you can use all features on this Stripe. So you can create invoices, receive payment, and so on.